Congress party has been saying from day one, also knew about Mr. Kejriwal. Parrikar is hardly a defense minister. He is a super chief minister of Goa. He is not involved in any of the defense deals. I told you earlier that when Rafale aircraft were being bought by the Prime Minister in France, he was buying fish in Goa. This is what Mr. Parrikar's status as a defense minister is today.
Yesterday, they have started with 0.5% Krishi Kalyan cess, which will be imposed from June 1. That means all services to be taxed. Now BJP wants to tax whatever you are eating, telephone. There is already Swachh Bharat tax. Now the jet fuel tax is increased by 9%. This will affect badly the tourism in the state of Goa. Goa is already one of the most expensive tourist destinations, not only in the country but in the world. Now, on the statehood day, this government, with great fanfare, announced, what is the name of that scheme? Deen Dayal Swachh Bima Yojana, so-called medical claim,
healthcare insurance.
care insurance. Now, it is monstrous that this government is going to pay 107 crores to a insurance company. I find this is nothing but making commerce and business out of the suffering of the common man, common boy.